Okay, let's look at plank. Plank, again, it's part of the sun salutation. It's one of the ones that people like to do to build their core because it's like cool. However, plank can be really, really hard on you in ways. It can be more detrimental than beneficial depending on how you do it. So here's a few versions. So when we come to plank, we think of plank as being hands on the ground and legs, and then we can end up in all sorts of positions. So ideally, what we want is that our core is engaged. It's only when our core is engaged that we're doing anything for our core in plank. When your core is engaged, you will have a nice flat back. Core not engaged, and you come into what I call banana, which is not very useful for anything. Equally, you can take, if you haven't got the strength yet to avoid banana, then it's useful to just come into a sort of a mini dog first. Ultimately though, you're looking to have straight. What can be absolutely more beneficial, not for your ego, but more beneficial for your body, is to keep that straightness, but take the weight off the arms by coming to knees. This is substantially more beneficial for you than this, and this is actually really coming to up dog. It's not coming to plank at all. I need to release my arms. The other problem with plank is that if we push into it, particularly depending on the time of the month, depending on what your history is, it can be really, really severe on pelvic floor. So if the transverse abs, if these abs are not working and they're not engaging you, where you're putting the pressure is all down on the pelvic floor. So there's loads of times that you should avoid coming to full plank. If you're coming into the movements and the position is plank, just keep that lovely same plank containment, but by taking the pressure off the pelvic floor by dropping your knees. From here, you can just move it into any of the other poses and ultimately be developing core strength, upper body strength without compromising your lower back.